will fall in sky in this geography. But we feel the pressure economically sasaktan na. In fact, I just came from Malacanang about 3 hours ago discussing the President's plan. Not only in Manila, not only in Metro Manila, but particularly sa mga provincial. It's a whole nation approach. In fact, after this, I'm going to go live and talk to the people about the plan. Because it's going to be implemented ASAP. And we're looking at Wednesday. The most Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, early on. Transport particularly across the three-way. So, but your city government make announcement. They already approved it by reality, and we are preparing the cash position. I might also stimulate 4 hour before. Mas may sa national. So, yung mayroon natin. That's why, lahat ngayon, hilong-talilong. We really have to pass. In a crisis situation, decisions should be made. And there will be no perfect decision, but decision must be made. There is no such thing as great in a challenging moment. Anyway, you are future leaders. One thing that I have learned in life and academic world, acquisition of knowledge, years, decisions should be made fast. Because it will give you something, positive or negative. If decisions are not made, give you nothing. And, like what Einstein said, if I may share with you my personal view of what Einstein said. Don't expect different results will come to you tomorrow. If what you did today is the same as yesterday, you're fooling yourself. So, now going back in making decisions. When decisions are made in the past, you'll see instant result. As I have said, there are two results. Maybe on a negative, maybe on the positive. When it is in negative, this you can cure it immediately. When it is positive, you escalate. Pahabain mo yung kamay para mas marami ka makakita. Yun kami sa mga. It's not a perfect government. Kaya kailangan nila yung ewan ko. Kung naririnig nyo yung word na bilis-kilos. I don't know if you see. Because that's how we are. Why? Why is it bilis-kilos? Why is it kailangan fast? Sabi nila, diamond is one of the rarest minerals or gems, which is very expensive. For me, the most expensive thing, if I may put it in right perspective, is time. You may lose time, and you may lose money because of quick decision. But money loss can be also money gain. You can gain back money. If you lose time, you cannot buy back time. And in time, is the enemy of everyone. Rich, the middle class. Because without you in this world, time will go on. Nag-gets nyo? Kung nakakuha nyo, kung paano rin. Tatakbo naman ang oras eh. Kasya ka wala, may gawin ka wala, tatakbo ang oras. Kasama ka hindi, tatakbo ang oras. And time can create opportunity. Learning, failures, success. Because failures can be utilized in your advantage. Adversities, mistakes, you can learn. As long as you apply what Einstein said, don't expect different results. You have to know if what you did today is the same as yesterday. Kamali ka na ngayon, yun din ang gagawin mo bukas.